guys, we are back today and today's video is an Eid look video. So today's look has been specially created for Eid. So we have done this makeup for Eid and also I'm wearing a chicken suit and I bought this Fulkari off-white mirror work dupatta from Janpat, and these earrings also I bought from Janpat. So you guys can see the look, and I wore my heels which were bought from Ajio. They are a pale pink heels which complemented the dress so much and added a perfect dash of color in my outfit. So you guys can see this video is all about Eid look, Eid makeup and Eid outfit and how to accessorize your dress for Eid. So without any delay, I am starting with the tutorial and I'm not going to keep you guys waiting anymore. So here is the look. We have created this look at Shopaholic Adventures for Eid. We are wearing this off-white chicken suit along with this Fulkari off-white dupatta with mirror work in it. I bought this dupatta from Janpat and these earrings as well from Janpat. I have completed my look with these earrings and these pale pink bow heels I ordered from Ajio. They add a perfect dash of pink in my outfit without making it look over the top, and this makeup look we have created. liked the video and hope you guys liked our look which we specially created for Eid. And if you guys liked the video, do subscribe to our channel, like our video, leave a comment. It means a lot to us. And also, if you're not following us on Instagram, do follow us on Instagram. We keep posting new OOTDs and new looks online almost on daily basis, and currently we're also taking a 30-day lipstick challenge. So go ahead guys, check out our Instagram. The link is there in the description. Just check our Instagram and follow us also on the Instagram and subscribe to our channel. We will feel really good. Till then, keep loving us and enjoy the festival as much as you can. So I am looking forward to all of you guys replying and letting us know how your Eid looks were, and do share your Eid looks with us on Instagram. We are really looking forward to see your looks. Until then, keep loving us and subscribe to us.